Susan Mutami hits back at Mliswa allegations, declares mental fitness. The 3rd of September 2025. Spread the Love by Susan Mutami. Activist Susan Mutami has issued a strong rebuttal to recent claims questioning her mental health, insisting she has been fully cleared by the Australian government and its top psychologists. Mutami, in a lengthy statement, thanked a supporter for raising the matter and said her record speaks for itself. 4 months ago, I got psychologically assessed at federal level by Australia's top psychologist as requested by the Australian government, and I was deemed fit. I've never been admitted to a mental hospital as a patient in my whole life, nor prescribed medication for being mentally unwell, she said. She explained that, contrary to speculation, the only authorities who occasionally conduct welfare checks at her home are the Queensland Police and Federal Police, and not child safety officers. The Australian government has a mandate to section me if they deem I'm unfit. I work hard for my children and they are good kids, she added. Mutami further accused her former partner, ex-MP Temba Mliswa, of neglecting his parental responsibilities. She claimed her boyfriend had to involve lawyers to remove Mliswa's surname from their child's birth certificate, describing Mliswa as an absentee father. A mentally sane person would never abandon an innocent child who's halfway across the globe. Having 20 kids with different women is also a sign of mental illness to those that studied mental health, Mutami argued. She went further, leveling grave allegations against Mliswa, including poisoning the late activist Patson Dzamara, setting up former Minister Walter Mzembe, and being linked to the deaths of parents Shiri and an unnamed individual in Hurungwe. Mutami also accused Mliswa of forcing a minor into an abortion that later turned fatal and of engaging in ritual practices. You have to know Temba to understand him. I will keep on standing for the truth and reminding all of you to be cautious around him. He's not a character that one should trust. I also pity the woman that gave birth to Temba, she charged. The remarks are the latest in a long-running feud between Mutami and Mliswa, which has frequently spilled into the public domain.